Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify financial projections with Procter & Gamble, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering the financial projections provided by Procter & Gamble. Ensure you have a clear understanding of the time frame for these projections. Identify the key metrics that are critical for analysis, such as revenue, profit margins, and market growth rates. Research historical financial data from Procter & Gamble to establish a baseline for comparison. Collect industry benchmarks to understand the market context and standards. Create a spreadsheet to input the financial data for easier analysis. Input the historical data from Procter & Gamble alongside their projected figures. Calculate growth rates for historical data to determine trends. Analyze the projections against these historical growth rates. Assess the assumptions made in the projections. Investigate whether the assumptions align with industry trends and economic conditions. Consider external factors that could impact the projections, such as market competition and regulatory changes. Consult financial news and analysis related to Procter & Gamble's sector. Interview financial analysts or industry experts to gain insights on the feasibility of these projections. Conduct sensitivity analysis to see how different variables impact the projections. Document your findings in a clear and organized manner. Summarize whether the projections appear realistic based on your analysis. Be prepared to present your insights and data to stakeholders or decision makers. Always stay informed about any updates or revisions to Procter & Gamble's financial outlook. Regularly revisit the financial projections as new information becomes available. This approach ensures a thorough verification process of financial projections for Procter & Gamble. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.